Igbo Class World, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling. Good afternoon, wonderful people. I greet you all in the name of Chukwu Okike. You know, we are here matching time. We are not really moving forward, but now we want to move it forward. Forward ever, backwards never. My dear people, we are going to bring a good mentor here to be teaching you all you need to know about Canada. And today we are going to tell you more about Canada. And we met somebody who will do Canada visa for you. Canada visitor visa. Somebody has arrived. So don't go worry because she is here. We are going to create more platforms where we'll be educating our people how to go about traveling, especially Canada visa, Canada visitor visa. So now I'm going to tell you little about Canada to know and decide what to do. Um, in Canada, they have two languages. They have French language and English language. So if you are English teacher or French teacher, is you have opportunity when you travel to Canada, you can teach English, you can teach English language, you can teach French. All you need to do is to hustle your way, wangle yourself into Canada. If you are a teacher, it is likely you will have greater opportunity to teach French or teach English, and they will give you resident permit. Do you know that Canada um is very big country but it's so cold? So if you are going to Canada, you have to prepare yourself very well against cold so that you will not get cold and get sick. So dear people, and mind you that Canada is very far away. Unlike United Kingdom from Nigeria is only 6 hours, but from Nigeria to Canada is 20 hours. So get yourself prepared because as far as it is, so be the cost of flight. So get yourself prepared because many of our people want to travel to Canada. Then we are going to open our communication link in our WhatsApp because for long now we close it, but no distance time we are going to open the communication link so that our people will start to communicate again and again. Do you know that when you have children in Canada, they will give you resident permit. They will first give the child resident permit, but as long as you are born the child into Canada, in the Canada, they will give the child citizenship immediately. Unlike in United Kingdom, when you don't have resident permit and have a child born in United Kingdom, they will not issue that person their resident permit or citizenship immediately. The person have to stay about 7 years without traveling. That is where they will issue the person resident permit. So in Canada, immediately a child is born over there, they will give the child resident permit and the citizenship. But you as a mother, as a parent, they will not give you until the children get up to 18 years. Then the children can offer you the resident permit or the citizen. You will have it through your children. And yes, some people want to come to United Kingdom. The good thing about United Kingdom is that it's so near to Nigeria. And again, yes, let me finish about Canada. In Canada, do you know that students can invite parents, invite dependents now? But in United Kingdom, there is nothing like dependent anymore. So there is a lot of opportunity in Canada. That's why we advise our people, and it's very recommendable that you go to Canada as it stands now. Canada is the best now. Canada is number one. So I will advise you to choose traveling to Canada. Canada is so good and is crime free. Unlike in United Kingdom, there is a lot of crime. Canada is a lovely place, it's friendly and is crime free. You cannot hear